This is something we see almost every day. We're doing the entire driveway. We have a good grid of holes. We'll follow it down. On the bottom left corner, it needs to come up a little bit. In the middle of the seam, we have the biggest fall, and it's about a 2 to 3 inch fall. And when something settles, it almost never settles straight down. Bust through this seam. Once the seam is loose, I'll set up 2 concrete jacks that'll help me lift. Once those are lifted, everything gets filled with foam. I'll go ahead and start working on cleaning up the joints, setting up the joints, and prepping the joints to go ahead and lay down the sealer. A misconception that people have about concrete, it's constantly moving throughout the seasons.
Okay.
It'll expand in the summer, it'll shrink in the winter, and the earth is just always moving.
You did great. Yeah, your team does great. I am very happy. I'm very happy. I'm glad I went with you guys.
Go to woodsbasementsystems.com.